bibo ang mga anak natin, proud tayo lagi sa kanila. Right, mommies? Okay, mommies. Ano ang first word na natutunan ng inyong mga baby? Mommy Maris.
Si Marie knows it. What was the first part that you learned?
Mother.
Mother!
Oh, sis. Mother ba talaga?
Dada.
Dada.
Dada for daddy
Wow.
and mama for
Oh,
mommy.
syempre. Miss Harleen.
Mama.
Mama. How about you, Sachi? Mami Cookie, ano ba ang kanyang first word?
The first word mo is what ba? Ma? Naalala mo? Sige, sabihin mo kay Tita Janice.
Mami.
Mami. Alam mo, kadalasan mami talaga, no? First word, mami or daddy, no? Sarap pakinggan. Ano naman ang feeling nyo nung first nyo narinig yung nagsalita sila ng mami, mama?
Sigawan.
Ganun talaga.
Sigawan.
Oh, parang yung moment na yun, sana maulit ng maulit, hindi ba? Okay, I'll ask you, Rachel.
Marie.
Marie, what do you think of the policeman?
They will get you.
They will get you from the bad guys, right? Abij.
Ikukunin yung mga bad guys.
Okay, kunin ang mga bad guys. Sachi.
Protect us.
Protect. How about the fireman? Oh, your turn first, Sachi.
Take out fire.
Take out fire. Abij.
Inaalis yung fire.
Inaalis ang fire.
Interpreter. Inaalis yung fire.
Doctor.
What's a doctor?
Anong ginagawa ng Dr. Abij?
Pinapagaling yung bata.
Pinapagaling ang bata. Pero bata lang ito, hindi sila nagpapagaling na matanda, ha? Bata lang. Sach.
Take care people.
Take care of people. Ang galing naman. Teacher.
They teach you many things.
They teach many things. That's why they are teachers. Teacher.
Teach me how to write.
Teach you how to write.
Teach us children.
Oh, teach the children. Nako. Ngayon naman, do you like listening to nursery rhymes?
Baba black sheep.
Uy! Sige na! Tuloy mo yan.
Baba black sheep. Have you any wool? Yes sir, yes sir. 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for my day. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full.
Yay! How about you, Marie?
Bow, bow, Belinda.
Okay.
Bow, bow, oh Belinda. Bow, bow, oh Belinda. Bow, bow, oh Belinda. You're the one I love.
Sachi.
Rockabye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the will crack and the bow breaks. The